So students, we are going for the multiplication of matrices. I hope you are doing that sums. So in that only little bit different sums we have here. See the question. If A is this matrix, B is this matrix and C is this matrix. The question will be calculate AC, BC and this is nothing but A plus B into C. That the next part, this is nothing but distributive law. In the properties of matrices I told. So then tell me, in the solution we will start with what? We will start with AC, multiplying A and C. See they are here, that's why I am just directly multiplying. First row with first column, only one column. This order is 3 by 3 and this order is 3 by 1. So your answer will be again 3 by 1. That means 3 row, 1 column. First row with first column. Tell me the multiplication. In that we are multiplying corresponding elements. 0 into 2, that is 0, plus 6 into minus 2, that is minus 12. Next 7 into 3, 21 plus 21. So it completes first row with first column. Next we are not writing here. Why? Because we have only one column. Come to the second row. When you take second row, it comes second element. Second row with first column. Minus 6 into 12, minus 12. 0 into minus 2. Then 8 into 3. Then come to the next one. Third row with one column. Only one column we have. 7 into 2. Minus into minus plus 16. Then 0 and 3. So this will complete. Simplify this. 12 and 21. Minus 12 and 21. So it is 9. And this is 12. And this is 30. After that, what we are doing? We are moving to BC. Here also on the top, we have a P and C on the adjacent sides only. Just as we did in the previous, go on multiplying the first row with first column. In that corresponding elements. First element into first element. 0 into 2, 0. Plus 1 into minus 2 will be minus 2. Then 1 into 3. Next one is what? Second row with first column. 2. Then 0. Then 6. Yes, you can able to write the answers. Next. Third row with first column. Only one column. 2 minus 4 plus 0. That is 1. 8 and this minus 2. This is what? BC. Next one is we have to move for A plus B. Here only on the top we have A and B. A plus B. We have to add, or I am writing 1 by 1. 0 plus 0. Next element 6 plus 1. Then 7 plus 1. Yes, can you write the next one? Minus 6 plus 1. Then 0 plus 0. 8 plus 2. Then 7 plus 1. Minus 8 plus 2. The next is 0 plus 0. Simplify this. This is 0, 7, 8. Minus 5, 0, 10. The next one is 8, minus 6, 0. I hope all of you are getting the same answers. Next coming to A plus B into C. First I want A plus B. Already we calculated here. Then on the sides write on C. Yes. With me only you are writing or what? First row with first column. Then second row with first column. Go for corresponding elements. Then third row with first column. This is 24 minus 14, 10. This is 20. This is 28. Let us call this as equation 1. Then what we are doing? We are moving to the next one. What is the next one? Next one is AC. Write down A. See, already we calculated AC and BC. Now for AC plus BC. Have you remembered AC and BC? What is AC? AC is 9, 12, 30. And what is BC? BC is 1, 8 minus 2. Already we did that. Just add this. It is 10, it is 20, this is 28. This is equation 2. Now compare equation 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we got A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. See, is it correct or what? And you got the answer or what? Next, so I think you are following it. The next example. If f of x is equal to cos x minus sin x 0. This is sin x, cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. And our question is, show that f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. So just use some basic knowledge. See, f of x is given, and what you are observing there, we are observing that all the trigonometric angles are in the form of x, that is cos x, sin x, like that. Then if the angles are y, it is written as f of y. Then what will be f of y? F of y will be the same matrix with angle y, that is cos y minus sin y 0. There is no trigonometric term. Then next one is sin y cos y 0. This is 0, 0, 1. Then we have to go for multiplication. Multiply first row with first column as we did in the previous. First element cos x into cos y. Middle minus, here minus is there, so minus comes. Second element into second element. Sin x into sin y. Then what will be the third one? The third one will be 0. So then second row, first row with second column. So I am not getting the place, so I write it like this. Little bit here. F of x into f of y. First row with first column. Cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y plus 0. Then first row with second column. Give some place. Minus cos x into sin y. Here also we have minus sin x into cos y. The last one plus 0. Then first row with third column, that is 0 plus 0 plus 0. Then second row with first column, corresponding element sin x into cos y. Middle plus what the next one, cos x into sin y. First element into first element plus second element into second element. See this, observe it carefully. Third element into third element. Now leave some place. Second row with second column. In that corresponding elements, sin x into minus sin y plus cos x into cos y. Then 0. The next will be 0 plus 0 plus 0. Why? Second row with third column. See, first element sin x into 0 will be 0 plus cos x into 0 will be 0 plus 0 into 1 will be 0. Then moving to the last one. Third row with first column. First element into first element. What it is? 0 plus second element into second element. 0 into sin y is 0 plus 1 into 0. Then third row with second column. Again 0 into anything plus 0 plus 0. Then third row with third column. First element is 0. Second element is 0. Third element is 1 into 1. Now, are you familiar with trigonometric formulas? It is in the form of cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y will be cos of x plus y. It is trigonometric ratios of compound angles. In the first year in the trigonometry you studied this. And here if you take minus common and you will get sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Minus outside, what will be your answer? Sin of x plus y. And the next one is 0. Come to the next one. It is in the form of sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. That is sin x plus y. Here note on this, it is first take a positive cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. This will be cos of x plus y. This is 0. See the next one, this is 0. This one is 0. The next one is 1. See your just basic whatever we gave the hint. If the angle is x here, we are writing f of x. If the angle is y, we are writing f of y. Then tell me how you write this. Here the angle is what? X plus y. So we are writing f of x plus y. See, is it RHS or what? We started with the LHS f of x into f of y. We got the RHS f of x plus y. Shall I give you the assignment for your practice? So note on that. Show that first one. See, these are all your NCERT textbook questions. I am giving you the hint. Just note down the problem. Nothing students, here what you are doing, take LHS separately and RHS separately, multiply these two separately and show that they are not equal. Because already you are familiar, matrix multiplication is not commutative, then also multiply LHS separately, RHS separately and then compare the two values. Take these two as assignment for your practice. The next one. See, this is a question. Find a square minus 5a plus 6i. If a is equal to 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. It is a matrix of order 3 by 3. See, after explaining these many sums also, the students again they are making the mistakes. What the mistake they are doing? A square means just they are squaring each number they are writing. No, it is wrong. How you write them a square? A square will be written as a into a. Write on the matrices same matrix A 2 times. So this written. Then add first row with first column. In that corresponding elements 2 into 2 4 plus 0 into 2 0 plus 1 into 1 first row with first column. Then first row with second column 2 into 0 plus 0 into 1 0 plus 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1. Then first row with third column 2 into 1 plus 0 into 3 plus 1 into 0. After that, moving to the next one, second row with first column 2 into 2 4 plus 1 into 2 2 plus 3 into 1. Then second row with second column 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1. Then 3 into minus 1 will be minus 3. I hope you are getting the steps. Then second row with third column 2 into 1 corresponding element plus 1 into 3 plus 3 into 0. Then next one, third row with first column 1 into 2. Next is minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2. Next is 0 into 1, 0. Third row with second column 1 into 0. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. 0 into minus 1 is 0. Then third row with third column 1 into 1 minus 1 into 3 plus 0. Simplify this. This will be 5. This will be minus 1. This will be 2. Next 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 3 9. Then 1 minus 3 minus 2. 2 plus 3 5. Then these get cancelled, you are getting 0. And next one is what? Minus 1. The next one is minus 2. See, first we have to find a square. After finding a square, write down this value. Consider a square minus 5a plus 6i. I is the identity matrix. Already you are familiar with definition. I is the identity matrix of order 3. Why 3? Because the given problem is of order 3. Write down that a square value. A square is what? 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, 2. Second row 9 minus 2, 5. Next 0 minus 1 minus 2. Then middle which sign we have? Minus. Write down 5. Then which matrix we have to write? We have to write matrix A. 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. Then 6. Which matrix? Identity matrix. The identity matrix of order 3 will be like this, because in addition or subtraction, if they have the same matrix, same order, then only you can add. So write down first matrix as it is. 5 minus 1, 2. 9 minus 2, 5. Then 0 minus 1 minus 2. Tell me the students, next what you are doing? We are taking minus 5 in the matrix. Each scalar multiplication, yes, each number is multiplied with 5. 10, 0, 5. 10, 5, 15. 5 minus 5, 0. After that, take 6 inside. It is 6, 0, 0. 0, 6, 0. 0, 0, 6. Yes. If you are not able to solve 3 terms at a time, go for first 2. 5 minus 10, corresponding element, minus 1 minus 0. 2 minus 5. 9 minus 10. Minus 2 minus 5. 5 minus 15. As I told, corresponding element. This is minus into minus. And I kept the next one as it is. If you are perfect in calculations, you can take all the 3 terms at a time. So just add these two. So shall we write directly? Minus 5 plus 6 is 1. Minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. Minus 3 plus 0. So this is the answer what we got. 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 10 minus 5 4 4. So moving to the next one. So in the next class I am continuing with the next examples.